Welcome everybody. So today I wanted to show you a couple of signs to tell if your brake caliper is locked up or seizing. So, one of the first signs to tell by, just looking at it before you touch or take apart anything is the discoloring. You see how it's red there? And I'll show you the other side. So, as you can see, this one's just a little rusty. It's not as red there. So you can definitely tell that one's getting hot. That one's just a little rusty, I believe. I checked that one. That one spins freely. That one's just rusty again. Another sign, one of the obvious signs would be to jack it up and try to get the wheel to move. This one was just stuck solid. I mean, it wasn't going anywhere. I barely made it home. I'm not really sure about any other signs. I mean, I guess another one actually would be smell. You will really smell it. Like, it'll smell like burnt brakes. I don't know how else to explain it. Another one would be, resistance. You feel like your car, there's nothing the matter with it, but you can just feel a pull on it. That'll definitely be another sign. And I guess smoke. If you see any smoke or anything of that sort, that would definitely be another telltale sign. So yeah, those are a few simple easy signs to tell whether your brake caliper is locking or seizing up on you. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.